the protein-rich superfood, won't just reduce hair loss but will also contribute to hair growth. Today's video will discuss the Indian secret to lengthening hair and accelerating hair growth. Just like our skin, our hair also needs care and attention. Truth be told, most of us are born with perfectly healthy hair, but due to factors such as chemical toxins in hair products, and environmental pollution, our tresses face trouble. If you've been experiencing certain hair issues, and have been on the lookout for treatment, then you are at the right place. Here are the ingredients you will need to make an egg hair mask: 2 eggs, 1½ tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera. Apply the egg mask this way for the best results. Crack the eggs into a bowl. Add honey, olive oil, and aloe vera to the bowl. Mix all the ingredients together to form a paste. Apply the paste on your scalp and hair. Leave it on for 30 to 40 minutes. Rinse your hair with cold water and a mild shampoo. You should ideally apply this hair mask at least once a week for the best results. Never use hot water to wash the egg mask out of your hair. Vinegar is helpful. You can add it to the water to rinse your hair. You can add yogurt to the egg hair mask. So, provide your hair with the goodness of eggs to boost growth and volume. Are you going to try this? Let me know in the comment section below.